Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather round because today, we're diving into the world of two-wheeled wonders with a side of nostalgia. Yes, you heard me right. Honda is making a triumphant comeback with a twist, and they've got something electric up their sleeve. So, let's rev up our imaginations and explore the return of an 80s icon, the Honda MotoCompo. Picture this, it's the 1980s, and you're cruising down the streets of Tokyo in your trusty Honda City. And what's that? You've got a compact scooter stashed in your car's trunk for those last-mile adventures. Honda brought us this nifty little gadget back in the day, and they called it the MotoCompo. It was like the Swiss Army knife of scooters, folding up neatly and ready to whisk you away on your urban escapades. Fast forward to 2023, and Honda's like, hey, remember that thing? Let's give it a modern-day makeover. Alright, let's get technical for a sec. The MotoCompo isn't about breaking speed records or impressing your buddies with horsepower. It's about getting you from your car to work and back again in style and convenience. It's got a 490W motor that's all about delivering a smooth and eco-friendly ride. And with a 6.8Ah battery, you're looking at a solid 12-mile range on a single charge. That's enough to tackle those daily commutes without breaking a sweat. Now, I know what you're thinking. 12 miles, is that all? But hold on, Buttercup. This isn't your typical electric scooter. It's got a top speed of 15 miles per hour. And it's meant to be your trusty sidekick for the first and last legs of your daily journey. Weighing in at just over 41 pounds, the MotoCompo is like the superhero of folding scooters. It tucks itself into a neat little aluminum body, making it a breeze to store and transport. You can practically take it anywhere, to the office, to your favorite cafe, or even into the elevator without raising an eyebrow. But wait, there's more. This little beast comes with retractable pegs for your tired tootsies, a digital display to keep you in the know, and even an app for remote control of certain functions. Lights, secret storage because we all have secrets, right? And a sturdy kickstand complete the package. Plus, Honda's giving you the freedom to jazz up your MotoCompo with decals and stickers. Because who doesn't want a scooter with a personal touch? Now, here's the part you've all been waiting for, the price tag. The MotoCompo is like the cool kid in town who's surprisingly affordable, with an MRSP of just $955. But here's the catch, it's only available as an add-on to new electric SUVs from Honda. You can snag one online or through Honda and Acura dealers. It's all part of Honda's grand plan to build a community of MotoCompo commuters, but hey, if you've got your heart set on it, who's to say you can't join the party? Before I wrap this up, let me give you one final nudge. If you're digging these cool ideas and want more electrifying updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Who knows what other innovative surprises await us in the future? Until next time, keep those wheels turning and those smiles shining, my fellow enthusiasts.